Hey y'all, this is Brandy from Southern Crafts DIY, and I want to say hey to all my viewers and a special thank you to all my subscribers. If you want to follow me on social media, the links are in the description box down below. So today I'm doing a special collaboration with Chandler Tools, and today I'm going to be making candles, and this is the box that I got that I'm going to be doing, and I think it's going to be really fun. And so let's get to it. Let's see what all I got in this box. It is a kit that came off of Amazon, and it is 5 pounds of wax. They come in 2.5 pounds a piece, and the instructions, of course. And then this is the hot plate that you use to heat up the wax. And then this is the wicks and the things that hold the wicks in place. And then of course you get the spoon to stir the wax while it's heating up. And then you get the pot that you melt the wax in. And that's what all comes in the kit. And you can buy it on Amazon. I will share the link in the description box down below. Alright y'all, so I am going to be starting off doing this video. And what I forgot to mention when I told you about the wax is that it is organic soy wax. And so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be measuring how much wax I'm going to be using. And by doing that is I'm going to be scooping it into what I'm going to be making my candles. And that is these little shot glasses I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to be using this spoon to put the wax in there, and then I'm going to pour it in here, and then I'm going to do it twice because I practiced this, and what I found out was that it takes double the amount to do it once it melts, so therefore I need double the wax. So alright, so now that I've done that, I'm just going to put this on here. And also you are going to need a thermometer, which it did not come with. So you can just get one from wherever. I got mine from Walmart for like $10. So, and you have to heat it to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, the wax, once it's been melted. So that is the next step. So right now I'm just melting the wax. And there are options. You can add scents to it, and you can also dye the wax to give it color. I don't have that, so that's not what I'm going to do. Mine's just going to be plain candle, no scent, no wax. But you can still make beautiful candles without that. But that is options. While the wax is melting, I'm going to go ahead and set up my wicks and my shot glasses with the centering devices. It really doesn't take that long for the wax to melt and come up to temperature, so just be patient. Okay, it's almost to 185 degrees. Okay, it's there now. I gotta just let it go down to 135 degrees. And once it gets down to that, then I can pour it into the candle thing. The glass thing I'm going to use as a candle holder. I'm sorry. It just didn't want to come out. Now, I don't know if I remember mentioning this or not, but these would make great gifts, and you can also decorate the outside with flowers or ribbon or whatever you think would make it look really pretty. Alright, now that it's down to the 135, I can pour the candle. And then I just let it harden overnight just to make sure that it is nice and hard before I cut the wick. And now I'm going to do the other one. Same steps. It really doesn't take very long to do these candles at all, and they are so cute and easy to make. And anybody would love them. Oopsie. Made a little bit of a mess. Whoops. Y'all, that was so crazy. And clean that up later. So this is the exact same process as the last candle. It's just I thought 2 candles would be really cute together as opposed to just one. So I decided to make another. I remember making this the old school way on the stove. This is so much easier and faster. I'm from the South, so we used to take and make candles out of oyster shells and sell them. They were so cute and popular. Alrighty, y'all. Time to pour. Alright, so I'm going to let it sit overnight and harden. And then we will see what they look like in the morning, and when they're done, I will snip the wicks down to the right size. Okay. So as y'all can see, they are nice and set. So all you have to do is trim the wicks. And they are ready to be enjoyed. And that is all it takes to do these candles. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and that's it. So if y'all have any comments, please post them in the comments below, and I really enjoyed this video. All right, see y'all next time. Bye.